big sun on battlefields is where blocks are won with every step away from home. The no blocks play a steady song, and so the march goes on. Darkness falls and monsters creep, violence takes the night. Home will be a diamond guiding me up in the sky. When darkness falls and monsters creep, violence takes the night. Home will be a diamond guiding me up in the sky. Tonight we go to war, time to settle fights.
Tonight we go to war! Hey guys, this is Tryhard Ninja, the video game singer. Did you enjoy the animated video and my original Minecraft song, Tonight We Go to War? Let me know in the comment section below. This is actually the last song I'll ever release off my album, Pick a Universe. And by the way, it's been pretty insane making these songs for you guys for over 5 years now. I want to extend a very special thank you to anyone that's ever downloaded my music legally. Making studio quality music independently is expensive and time consuming, and I simply wouldn't be able to make more without the direct support from you guys watching. So thank you guys so much. And if you want to get this song or the full album that it's on iTunes, the links to all of that are in the description below the video. Also, I want to say thank you to Momentarily Epic and Robo Chicken. They are the animators who created this animation to go along with the song, and the video wouldn't exist without them. And also to Peter Litvin for making the instrumental and producing the track as usual. All links to everyone involved are in the description below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos and listening to my music. As always, this is Tryhard Ninja, and I'm out.